Hi everybody, it's Kathy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you my thoughts on the IT Cosmetics Miracle Water 3-in-1 Glow Tonic. It retails for $48 for 250 milliliters, which is 8 ounces. This is just a sample size that I have, but it is now available in the larger size. And I'm going to read to you off the website, like I usually do, the claims, and then I'm going to give you my thoughts on the product. This lightweight, no-rinse product combines your skin brightening radiance booster to help purify, balance, and brighten the look of your skin, your potent anti-aging essence, diffuse the look of lines and wrinkles, and your skin softening micellar cleanser to gently attract, trap, and remove dirt, oil, impurities, and makeup, all in one simple step. It's infused with secret sauce fermented complex, a clinically advanced combination of 7 penetration-enhancing fermented ingredients. Miracle Water helps to increase absorbency and improve the efficacy of your moisturizers and serums. With anti-aging peptides, hydrolyzed collagen, rose aloe, rice, chamomile, green tea water, licorice root, and vitamin C, plus illuminating drops of light technology concentrate and diamond powder, it also gives you a youthful, lit from within glow. Use it after cleansing or in place of your cleanser for powerful results immediately and over time. That was a lot of information, so here are my thoughts. I like it, but I'm not in love with it, and here's why. I'm used to a toner that leaves my skin feeling refreshed. This leaves my skin feeling somewhat like something was absorbed into it, which is in fact what it's claiming to do. So the product does do what they claim that it's supposed to do, but it's just not the product, I guess, for my skin. Like, I don't have any knocks against it. I think if you have dry skin, or if you're not used to using a toner all of the time, you will like this product. I like it for days when my skin feels dry. I don't use it as my daily toner. I still prefer my witch hazel, but I will use it on occasion whenever my skin feels tight or it needs some moisture, because this really infuses some moisture or something into my skin, and it does feel good after. But I guess it's just I've been conditioned all my life having oily skin that I just need that toner, just I guess psychologically to make me feel like my skin is fresh. It also smells like beer, but I guess that's the fermented products that I'm smelling. So if you're sensitive to scent, that might be something that you don't like. The pros, it leaves the skin feeling soft and moisturized and not drying. It really does what it claims to do, and it feels like something has been infused into your skin. The con, the only one that I could come up with, is the price. I find $48 is expensive. Do I recommend it? It depends what you're looking for. I think it's great for dry skin, or if you're looking for a product that leaves your skin feeling moisturized, then this is a great choice. If you're looking for a fresh, clean feeling after you've used it, then personally, I don't think you're gonna find that after using this product. I won't go out of my way to repurchase it. However, if I get another bottle, which I probably will in a future showstopper when IT Cosmetics is on the shopping channel, I would use it. I wouldn't like give it away or throw it away. I know it sounds like I'm sitting on the fence, but that's my honest feeling about this product. Like, I don't love it, but I don't hate it. I'm just like neutral about it. I know it's kind of wishy-washy, but that's my honest feeling about this. You're just going to have to try it for yourself if you're interested. I'm glad that I did get to try it, especially the small size, without having to invest the $48 into the large size. I have also used it on nights when I feel lazy and I don't feel like washing my face, like on days where I don't have makeup on, obviously. And I like it for that, because I will use this and then I'll go in with my witch hazel and so on with my other products. Sorry I'm so wishy-washy on this one, but I'm always honest with you guys, and those are my thoughts. If you've liked this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have a great day, everybody, and I'll see you soon. Bye!